All right, guys, so we are here at a new industrial warehouse listing for lease, guys. So this is 2,500 square feet. We have 16-foot height clearance here, LED lights. There's 200 amps of power. Up here we have a mezzanine where it can be utilized as office space or additional storage space. It is framed and it is, load bearing and ready to pretty much store additional product. In here we have an office area that has access to the front. We're in the city of Commerce, California. This is Washington Boulevard, heavy industrial area. So this is a great location for businesses as the 5 freeway is literally just about half a mile away. Block build, and you can see here that we got laminate floors already. It's pretty much turnkey, guys. You do have a roll-up door in the back for access to any goods that need to come out. You have some yard space as well. You have 2 bathrooms, okay? 2 bathrooms. And as I mentioned, you have this mezzanine area ready to go. Plenty of power for a business to utilize, whether that be any type of manufacturing, storage, office administration. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. This is Richard SoCal Warehouse, and we'll be in touch soon.